Cortez. We're going to discuss today. Yung things to do, deliverables sa ating Defense Day na in a couple of days will happen. So that will be your D-Day, the Defense Day. No? So today, i-polish natin yung inyong gagawin para sa ating Defense Day. So we're going to discuss today yung dapat yung gawin before and during the Defense Day, and of course yung mga deliverables nyo. Okay, so you can see in your screens, I will title this presentation as Things to Do for the Defense Day. It includes those things to be done ngayon pa lang, and things to do during the Defense Day, and those deliverables, mga script files to be submitted. Okay, so let's start with this one. First, the submissions of soft copy of your manuscript and recorded video sa ating Google Drive. So I have sent sa ating group chat yung Google Drive na pag-uploadan nyo, and of course I sent the format of the video, the format of the manuscript, the soft copy we submitted. So submission is for per group. So you're going to properly label yung mga soft copy. Example, by the way, this presentation is for the research in EDUC and research for HMTM lang na. The manuscript should be properly titled as, for example, research in EDUC opposite the group number, or research in HMTM opposite your group number. So that is the proper way of uploading yung manuscript. And the video, of course, the video should also be properly labeled, like video for research HMTM, then opposite the group number o nung video. Kasi if you will upload that sa ating Google Drive, so that should be properly labeled, because the panelists, they don't know kung kaninong files yung naka-upload. And if they can find your video or manuscript sa Google Drive, hindi nila nakita, no? Baka sa Defense Day mismo, baka doon nila kayo scrutinize. So hahaba yung presentation, no? So our purpose of uploading your video or manuscript is to shorten yung presentation nyo during the Defense Day, no? So para mapanood kagad nila, mabasa na kagad nila mga manuscript ng mga group. So once again, the video, as I said in the instructions, should be shortened to just like around 20 minutes, no? Para hindi masyadong matagal. Kasi the panelists will be viewing like 28 groups. So dapat they should be shortened. So following the format of the video, the titles per slide, no? I know I have sent the samples, no? And hoping that by this point in time, majority of you have submitted or uploaded yung mga video and manuscript. Because the last time that I have seen the Google Drive, I have seen a couple of uploads na, like if I can recall that right, like 5 or 6 uploads na. So hindi ko pa nag-check ngayon kung majority have submitted. Anyway, so yun ating the first thing to do before submit, kasi wala tayong gagawin sa defense pag walang mapapanood yung mga mga panelists. Okay, and I have mentioned that I have mentioned the names of the panelists dun sa ating group chat. Okay, and the next thing to be done, submission naman ng submission of your PowerPoint. Okay, submission of your PowerPoint. I don't know if this can be done through PM, pero submit nyo na rin dun sa sa akin naman, no? Sa aking email naman, submission of your PowerPoint to my email. May email address, no? Wag nang isama na yung PowerPoint, wag nang isubmit dun sa Google Drive. So take note, yung sasabit sa Google Drive ay dalawa lang, your soft copy of your manuscript and the video. Yung PowerPoint, hindi na. Okay? The PowerPoint, your PowerPoint na ginamit sa video should be submitted. Should be emailed to me. So, I know I have mentioned my email address na. So, dito nyo sa isubmit na rin. oliverc@gmail. Yan. So, dito nyo send yung PowerPoint naman. Okay? So, the PowerPoint, I need the PowerPoint kasi ilagay natin yan dun sa PowerPoint na gagamitin to be presented during the Defense Day mismo. Yan. So, dapat nakasubmit. So, if you are done with the video, of course, you are done with the PowerPoint. So, madali na yan, no? Yung PowerPoint nyo, 18 slides na. Okay, and ayan. So, the next to be submitted, the official receipt. Oh, by the way, sa PowerPoint nga pala, sa email, subject. In the subject para madali kong malaman kung kanino galing yan. Subject sa email nyo, subject ay ganito. Ganito lang, RIE. It's either RIE or research in HMTM. Yan, okay? Tapos, opposite, the group number. Yan, the group number niyo. Okay? So, example, RIE. Tapos, group number 1. So, para malaman ko kaagad, no, kung kanino galing yung emailed PowerPoint. O, there is the subject na nakalagay din sa inyong email. Then, the next thing to do, yung submission naman ng official receipt. Of course, I have mentioned this sa ating group chat. Okay? So, your receipt should be properly labeled then. Example, RIE. Ayan. Or research in HMTM. In opposite, yung group number, example, group number 1. Okay? Tapos yung pangalan na nag-submit. Okay, so example si sa research natin. Si Leo, example, si Leo ang nag-submit. Ayan. So that is how are you going to submit the screenshot of the official receipt. Ayan. So of course you can continue, you can do the defense if you have not submitted yung submission of official receipt. So by the way, the deadline for this one, deadline is December 9. Yan, December 9, Saturday, no? So bukas yung ating office. Deadline December 9. Ayan. Okay, then ito rin deadline din nito ng ating submission of your PowerPoint is also December 9. Para makulit natin or maipon natin yung mga PowerPoint na yan. Okay, ayan, deadline is December 9. Okay, next thing to be submitted. Okay, ayan. So, submission, not submission but on Defense Day, on Defense Day mismo. Okay, bring your soft copy, printed. Bring your printed soft copy of printed hard copy, printed copy ng inyong manuscript. Sabi ko, di ba, you can have like 6 copies. why 6 copies? We have 3. We have 3 panelists. Okay, then yung 4th copy sa akin. Yung 5th copy, baka si Dean humingi din ng copy. So, pang sigpaniguro lang yon. Then, yung 6th copy, yung pang-anim na last copy para sa inyo. So, 6 copies, short band lang yan. Short band. Okay, in folder. Yung folder na hindi masyadong maganda, yung simple ano lang. Simple folder lang, yun yung ano. Yun yung gagawin. And ano pa ba? Take note guys kung ano yung mga ano, hindi sa masyadong sunod-sunod. I mean random to. Okay, what else? Defense Day, of course. You should have your nameplate per group. Ayan. Okay, yung medyo sturdy na nameplate, hindi sa malulupot, no? Especially paper, cardboard. Ayan. So, first name lang nakalagay doon, ha? First name, wag nang ikumpleto, baka masyadong mahaba. So, first name lang. Ayan. Pwede mo lagyan silang ano, ng example na, I am Richard, for example. Yung nameplate. So you can be creative naman. And hi, I'm Richard. Yan, hi. Hi, I'm Richard. Yan. Okay. So yung nameplate, no? Yung visible naman sa ano. Kasi gagawin natin yung Defense Day ay sa library. So you can imagine, hindi naman kasi masyadong malayo eh. Parang you are just 10 feet away from the panelist. So ganoon siya dapat ka-visible sa mga panelist na. Okay, and of course you should be your corporate outfit. So normally ginagawa na dito ay ano naman, para may unity, no? Majority of them are last Defense Day na majority of them were wearing a black dark suits, blazers, na slacks, skirts, and leather shoes, black shoes para sa mga guys na, kasi you may refrain from wearing rubber shoes, sneakers, kasi nasa gitna kayo. Kitang-kita kayo ng mga panelists, no? For example, you're in your black dark blazer, then dark pants, tapos naka-white sneakers ka. So, kitang-kita ka sa gitna, no? Ng mga panelists. Yan. So, hindi masyadong corporate or professional yung dating pag ganun. Okay? So, number 7. Now, you have the nameplate. Ayan. So, of course, bring your ball pens, no? Kasi if you are doing the defense, you have your copy. You should have the hard copy of your manuscript, and somebody, one of you will be listing down yung sinasabi or comments ng inyong mga panelists. Okay, and of course, be sure to see yung mga assigned task natin. Ayan, example ang MCs natin for the morning session. Kasi hinati natin itong defense. Ang pinakauna, para walang bias, no? Ang pinakauna magde-defend ay yung pinakauna kong klase during Saturday. Yung klase natin pag Sabado. Yun din pagkakasunod-sunod, no? So, yung first class pag Sabado ay yung mga research in HMTM. Sunod ay yung mga feasibility study. At yung pinakahuling kong klase pag Sabado, ito yung mga research in Edu. So yung sequence ng defense ay ganun din. So ang pinakauna magde-defend ay yung research and HMTM. So pag hindi tayo magulo, group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So lahat ng research and HMTM, masasalang kayo sa umaga. Tapos ang HMTM natin hanggang group 8 lang naman, di ba? So we have 13 groups sa umaga, then 15 groups sa hapon. So sa umaga, research and HMTM groups 1 to 8. Okay? Then yung groups 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ng feasibility study ay masasalang kayo sa umaga din. So that is 8 groups plus 5 groups, so that is 13. That is 13 groups na sa umaga. Then yung mga matitira, pero tingnan natin depende naman to sa flow baka sa umaga hanggang group 6 tayo ng feasibility. So depende sa flow, no? Pag may time pa naman, yung group 6 ng feasibility sa umaga kayo. Okay? Then sa hapon, yung group 7 hanggang 40 ng feasibility. Tapos groups 1 to 6 ng edu. Sa afternoon session kayo masasalang. Okay? And be mindful din, be sure to look at the task assigned. Okay, it is uploaded. Baka meron pa hindi pa nakakabasa ng aking uploaded assigned task sa ating group chat. Baka makalimutan yung mayroon pala kayong task. So be sure sa aking upload. The list of the tasks assigned is uploaded in the GC. Example, if I may reiterate, assigned task, morning session. Ito naka-upload sa ating group chat na. Ang MC sa umaga, si Aaron and si Sherilyn. Ang in charge sa AVP or audiovisual, sila maghahanap ng national anthem video presentation and PMC hymn presentation, si Badania. In charge sa program. So, si Badania, yung kayo nakitang anthem or BMC hymn, ay ibibigay niya yon kay Kurt. Kasi si Kurt ang operator ng ating laptop. Okay, in charge sa program ay si Maricar and Kimberly. So, ang trabaho ng program natin, sila ang magda-draft, sila magdi-design ng ating program. And Maricar and Kimberly, mag-print kayo ng copy ng program na inyong nagawa. Para bigyan natin ng copy ng programs yung mga panelist, si Dean. Ayan. So mag-print kayo ng like 20 copies of the program, Maricar and Kimberly, for the morning session. Opening prayer, si Nika May Biliran. So Nika, take note, baka may hindi pinakabasa ng ating mga assigned task. Pasabi kay Nika May. Okay, sa ating laptop provider ay si Mil and si Mark Dale. So Mil and Dale, pag wala kayong sariling laptop, manghiram kayo ng laptop, basta kayo yung in charge sa pag-provide ng laptop natin for the defense. And ang ating laptop operator ay si Kurt. And intermission number, ito naman ay nagpresenta si John Ree for intermission number. And score sheets for the defense, in charge is Chelsea and si LMA. So Chelsea and LMA, I will send to you yung score sheet, then you will just print yung mga score sheets na yon. Or ganito lang, para wala na kayong gasto sa score sheet, Chelsea and LMA, ako na lang magpi-print colored, para colored siya. I will print the score sheet, ako na, Tapos ibibigay ko sa inyo yung yung copies ng score sheet. Ang trabaho ng CLC and LMA, sila magdi-distribute ng mga score sheets doon sa mga panelist natin. At sila din yung taga-kolekta ng score sheet. Kasi pag nagdi-defend yung mga isang grupo, magre-rating yung mga panelist natin eh. So, dapat may copy sila ng score sheet. And afterwards, if they are done, si CLC and LMA ang taga-kolekta ng score sheets at ng mga manuscript na hawak-hawak ng mga panelist. Okay, yun yung trabaho nila, no? Dapat pagkatapos ng isang group, i-retrieve, ikunin yung score sheet at kunin yung manuscript. Para yung table ng mga panelist natin ay malinis. Yan. Hindi maghahalo-halo, no? So, take note of that, Chelsea and Ella. Okay. That is for the morning session. And for the afternoon session naman, para hindi mo pagod yung ating mga MCs, ang ating afternoon session, ang host naman natin ay si Leo and si Mary Vince. Ayan, so I know na heads up na si Leo about this one. Now, ang in charge naman sa program sa afternoon session ay si Manilyn and si Anbao. So take note yung mga tagagawa ng programs, iba-iba yung grupo na mag-present sa umaga tapos sa hapon. So, yung gagawin ng program, yung title sa inyong sample program na pinadala ko sa inyo, mayroong nakalagay doon na title, no? The title of the manuscript. So, kunin nyo, Manilyn and Anbao, Maricar and Kimberly, kunin nyo yung titles ng lahat ng groups kasi isusulat nyo yon doon sa program na inyong gagawin. Okay, and meron tayong photo documentation nga pala, no? Sa ating photo documentation sa umaga, si Mika, May, and si Christina, no? Ang in charge natin. So, ang trabaho naman dito ay to get a good photo capture ng mga the goings on the event na mangyari. Example, yung nagsasalita yung mga nagsasalita ako, no? Picture niya ako, nagsasalita. Yung picture of the panelists, pictures ng mga nagdi-defend. So, lahat, no? So, dalawa naman nila in-assign ko sa photo documentation. Meron sa umaga, meron sa hapon. Sa hapon, ang photo docu natin si Kia and si Reynalyn. Ayan. Sa hapon, laptop provider natin si Cristel and si Jarina. Cristel and Jarina, if you don't have your own laptop, you may borrow from your classmates. So kung sinong meron ng laptop, ipahiram sa ating mga person in charge sa laptop. And laptop operator sa hapon, si Rosemary naman, yung ating bida sa laptop. Okay, ang trabaho naman ng laptop operator ay taga-pindot lang ng example, next slide. Sila yung taga-pindot, no, ng PowerPoint. Yung naka-present habang a particular group is defending. Alright, number 5. Meron tayong intermission number, ha? The Masculados Boys. Para naman may lull sa defense, di masyadong maboring yung mga panelists, no? Para ma-refresh ang mga utak nyo, meron tayong intermission number, Masculados, sasayaw si Dino Agaab, palakpakan natin, no? Si Dino Silabres, si Dave, si Francisco, and si Leoncio. Ayan. Yung ating Masculados Boys, intermission number, no? And in charge of score sheet sa hapon ay si Joanna and si Stephanie. So, ganun din yung Joanna and Stephanie, ako na magdadala ng printed copy ng manuscript. Bibig ko sa inyo din. Ang trabaho nyo ay to just distribute and retrieve pagkatapos yung lahat ng score sheet. Okay? And be sure na ang score sheet ay may pangalan ng group number, tapos pangalan ng panelist na tingnan nyo, ha. Pag nag-retrieve kayo, may pangalan ng group number, may pangalan ng panelist na grade doon sa particular group na yon. Ayan, yun ang ating mga assigned. Or number 7, assigned task. So, if you forgot this one, pag hindi nyo na ano to, just scroll up sa ating group chat and then dun yung ating list of assigned task. Okay, dark, nga pala sa number 6, dark or black, no? Dark or black. Okay, avoid curse. Use, we are, casual shoes. Ayan, yung ating mga things to do. Okay, maybe I forgot something, tingnan ko, mga kulang pa ditong deliverables. Of course, ang ating mga host, you may write your own script. Hindi naman ito masyadong Sabi ko last time, ang trabaho ng host ay napakadali. Yung umagalo naman yung medyo marami silang gagawin Pero mga host natin, mga MCs, while the defense is going on madali na yan. You will just introduce yung mga next group. Ayan. So, yun ang trabaho niya So, sa umpisa lang talaga yung medyo madami kang gagawin. And of course, yung ating mga host natin ay already given them a copy. Yung flow ng ating event. Okay? And of course, by the way before a defense, greet first. Now, you greet first yung ating mga panelists. Example, sa HMTM, you know naman mga panelists natin sa ating HMTM and BSBA, I uploaded this our group chat. Yung ating panelists ay, of course, si Dr. Edmond Freyo. So, you should know. By the way, may mga pangalan naman sila sa table, So, you greet them. Greet the panelists and acknowledge them and address them as ma'am and sir. As moms and sirs. Okay. And number 9, dito. Always accept the comments panelists. Don't argue with them. Okay, because supposedly the panelists are the experts. Do not argue. By the way, ang tawag natin sa panelists are the panel of experts. So, obviously, they should be experts sa kanilang ginagawa. So, do not argue with the panelists. Please be positive. Always be affirmative sa kanilang mga sasabihin mga comments. Okay? Example, you may say, "Well taken, sir. Well taken, sir, ma'am. Well taken, sir, ma'am. We will revise our manuscript." Thank you. Sir, yeah. Your comments. Okay, and we will okay, number 10. Pabanaga dito. So, be early ha. Nilagay naman dito mamaya. Ating call time is 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, no? So, before 7:30, dapat nandoon na kayo sa ating venue. By the way, the venue is in the library and meron kayong holding area. Usually, yung holding area ay nasa third floor. Diba ang library natin is in the second floor? Yung ating holding area, yung third floor, no? I-assign pa ni Dean kung saan yung available na area kasi dati si Thursday, so may pasok yung elementary and high school. Hindi pa natin alam kung saan yung available time or available holding area or room na pwedeng pagtambayan, no? Ninyo. Like, mga 2 holding area na siguro nga isa lang kasi umaga naman at hapon eh. Okay, so ano ba? By the way, this video recording is for research in Eduk and research in HM lang. Yung feasibility, iba naman yung ating gagawin. Okay, so ano ba dito? So sa food, don't worry with the food. Don't worry with the certificate and yung nameplate ng mga panelists. No? Yung school lang yung school lang provide. And meron tayong sa ating program, meron tayong photo of, so wag mo nang uwi. Wag mo nang uwi yung mga naunang groups kasi meron tayong photo of pagkatapos. Yan. Photo of with the panelist. Okay, so meron tayo yan. And ano ba? Teka, baka may nakalimutan ba akong mga dapat kong ilagay dito. One more thing, all members should be active. Kasi will be graded, yung panelists mag-grade sa inyo. Active during the defense, answering questions sa mga panel, no? Kapag merong member na hindi makasagot, saluhin kaagad ng ibang members na merong sagot para wala tayong lull moment para dire-diretso tayo. Kasi you'll be you don't know your paper. And ngayon pa lang you master, you read manuscript. You read your manuscript multiple times para talagang master nyo. And you should know rational or reason, the rational, the reason, significance of your study. Research na inyong napili. Ayan. So, dapat alam niya. Okay, so to continue, ito naman yung program na gagawin natin. So I drafted this program, pero ito ay i-improve. Depende kung sino assign sa program natin. For example, this one is a morning session. We start at 8 o'clock hanggang 12. So before 8 o'clock, all groups should be in, especially mga nasa group 1. Kasi ang pinakaunang isasalang natin ay yung group 1 ng HM hanggang group number 5 ng feasibility study. That is for the morning session. Okay? Ito yung aking nag-draft na program, and of course, still to be improved by Maricar and Kimberly. Pero ito na yun idadagdag lang yung mga titles. So opening prayer, as I said, it should be ni Kami Biliran. So, and once again, yung assigned task ng mga groups ay it was properly distributed sa lahat ng mga grupo. Para lahat ng grupo ay mayroon silang task to do. Example, opening prayer natin. So, ni Kami Biliran, take note of this one. National Anthem and BMC hymn. It is Gerald Badania ang in charge dito. And the host for the morning session, once again, Aaron and Sherilyn. Tatawagin na nila si Dean Bernard for the opening remarks. And of course, we have the introduction members of the panel. Ako nang bahala dyan. And yung mga host natin sa umaga, ang gagawin nila after I have introduced the panel members, sa mga host ay they will politely request. Kasi sa unang part ng ating program, like the opening prayer, lahat kayo ay nandoon. Yung sa morning session lahat na sa morning session ay nandoon sa umaga. And after I have introduced the members of the panel, our MCs will politely request yung mga members ng mga ibang group, except group 1, to leave the defense room. Ang maiwan ay yung group number 1 to be introduced by Aaron and Sherilyn. Yan. So si Aaron and Sherilyn, hindi nila introduce isa-isa mga members, no? Yung grupo na mismo mag-introduce sa kanilang mga sarili. And take note, Maricar and Kimberly, you get the title kasi nakalagay dito, ano? So, kunin yung title ng mga research ng group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kasi isusulat niyo dito yung title nila para madali silang mabasa ng mga members of our panel. Okay? So, kunin nyo sa akin itong title nila, no? Maricar and Kimberly, para maisulat nyo dito yung mga titles nila. Okay, and after intermission number ni John Ree, so ang first part natin, before the intermission, yung first 6 groups. And after the intermission ni John Ree, so we continue with group 7 of research and HMTM. So sa umaga, once again, sa morning session natin, nakasama sa ating first group of presenters ay yung first 8 groups ng research and HMTM at yung first 5 groups ng feasibility study. So we have 13 groups sa umaga. So ito yung mga ating maagang pupunta, no, sa ating morning session, and with the title, no. Now yung mga groups dito, yung title nyo, para mabilis tayo, yung titles nyo, ibigay nyo kay Maricar and Kimberly kasi susulat nila dito sa program. Ayan, okay? Para madali silang basahin ng ating mga panelists. And after we are done, may presentation tayo, no? Sa umaga kasi may presentation tayo, certificate of appreciation. Kasi ibang panelist ng BA, iba yung panelist ng EDUC. So ang panelist ng BA and HMTM pareho, no? Pero yung panelist ng EDUC ay iba. Ayan, okay. So ito, Aaron and Sherilyn, wala pa tayong presentation of certificate of appreciation sa umaga, no? Gagawin natin to pag natapos na pag-present yung lahat ng HMTM at lahat ng SBA. Okay? In closing remarks, guys, Aaron and Sherilyn, wala pa tayong closing remark. Sorry, I forgot to remove this one. Wala pa tayong closing remarks sa umaga. Sa hapon kasi natin gagawin ang ating closing remarks, no? Pero meron tayong photo op dun sa first batch ng mga presenters. Ayan. Okay? So, Master of Ceremony, Sherilyn and Maricar and Kimberly, ating Master of Ceremony. Kunin yung pangalan nila, that is Aaron and Sherilyn. So, ilalagay sila dito sa ating Masters of Ceremony sa umaga. Ayan. Okay, yun ating complete program. Okay, itong presentation ko, I might not include everything here. Baka may nakalimutan ako. Hindi naman natin ma-discuss dito lahat, no? Pero kung may mga tanong kayo, wala dito sa aking video presentation, so you just PM me, no? Para ma-address natin yung mga questions na yan. Okay, ayun, and hoping that you have been enlightened sa ating video presentation ko ngayon. If you have questions, no, message mo lang. And with that, for the meantime, this has been Dr. Cortez, and hoping that you have learned something dito sa ating video. Bye everyone.